Solus 25.11.29, released as Solus 4.8 Opportunity, is a major ISO refresh for this independently developed, curated rolling release distribution, focusing on modernization and eliminating legacy components across all its desktop editions: Budgie, GNOME, KDE Plasma, and Xfce. This release brings a massive stack update, featuring the latest Linux Kernel 6.17, the complete removal of Python 2 from the repositories and live images, and the shift to the Polaris repository epoch, which unlocks the ability to update core components like systemed to version 257.1, paving the way for future developments and ensuring long-term compatibility with modern desktop environments. The most significant change from the previous version is the completion of the Polaris epoch transition, which involved removing merge, compatibility symlinks, and resolving dependencies to finally remove the aging Python 2 runtime, which was previously blocked by the deprecated Solus Software Center. Desktop environments received major updates, with KDE Plasma reaching 6.5.3 and GNOME updating to 49.1, critically transitioning both the GNOME and KDE Plasma editions to no longer ship with an X11 session by default in favor of Wayland, urging users to transition to the modern compositor while still offering X11 as an optional installable package.